Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, you will learn the Yoruba alphabet. The alphabet has 25 letters, from which there are 18 consonants and 7 vowels. Here are the consonants, 18 of them, and here are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. The vowels are important because when we pronounce words in Yoruba, we use tone marks, and these tone marks go on top of the vowels. All right, the Yoruba alphabet starts with A, B, D, A, E, F, G, B, H, I, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, W, Y. So you'll notice that the letters look like the English letters, but the sounds are different. And also some English letters like C, Q, V, X, and Z are not present in the Yoruba alphabet, but we have letters such as E, B, O, and Shi in the Yoruba alphabet. So that is the Yoruba alphabet.